Hi, my name is Ryan, and the procedure I got here at North Shore Smile Surgery is full arch upper and lower implants. I was your typical person who didn't take care of his teeth when he needed to when he was younger, and it got to a really bad place, and slowly but surely they all started cracking and deteriorating, and my smile became non-existent because I started covering it up. And ironically, I got into the serving and bartending industry, where smiling is kind of how you present yourself to your customers. And I found myself either covering up my mouth a lot or doing like the low lip smile or keeping my lips closed while I smile, not really showing off who I am. And I think it hurt the most probably is when I was serving like a table of parents and their children, and the children were saying, "Hey, you have bad stuff in your teeth." And then it was kind of like, "Yes, I do." And I would tell them, "If you don't take care of your teeth, this is what happens." And it kind of woke me up a little bit. And then later I started needing some teeth removed. So one summer I had one wisdom tooth pulled from my dentist. And he had mentioned, "Hey, have you thought about getting your all-on-4 done?" And it was something that I kept in the back of my mind. And by then, me and my wife had talked about it a lot. And we had said that if the dentist had someone that he thought he could trust to do the procedure, we would keep our options open.
Brian's a pleasant young man who presented with a significant decay, years of challenges with his oral health, and he was finally at a point where he knew he couldn't put off his dental care anymore. He had a young family, a career, and he was ready to do something about his mouth. So we met with him and evaluated him and talked about his different options.
I had experienced some other instances where I was trying to eat food that I would like, and there was crunching in my mouth, but it wasn't the food. It was my teeth that were starting to slowly chip away. And I knew at some point it was going to need to be done. And that was basically my low point, yeah.
Ryan's situation was unique because he has so many teeth with so much advanced decay, some teeth that could be saved but would require extensive care, and other teeth that couldn't be saved. So we explored both options, and to save his teeth, he would require bone grafting, multiple appointments, multiple procedures, versus the other option we talked about, RevitaSmile, where we take out all the teeth and then place implants and a new set of teeth all at one time. He also has a very gummy smile, which created a unique challenge, and low sinuses that we had to address, and the RevitaSmile was a unique way to make a significant change quickly.
It was scary at first, but Dr. Frank and the team helped make me feel really comfortable, and I trusted them, and my dentist trusted me, or trusted them to send me over there, so I felt very relaxed and comfortable going to them.
Ryan got a fantastic result. His smile is beautiful. He is so comfortable with it. His speech, you can see the difference in the way that he talks to us and shares his daily experience. He just had a baby last week, and he's really excited to be able to lead them down to the path of excellent oral health.
The first time going home and looking at the mirror and seeing my teeth with like a full set was shocking. I wasn't used to it. It had been 15 years since I had seen a full set of teeth in my mouth, and it was awesome. And I loved every second of it. And the more my mouth healed and accepted the arches, it looked more and more natural and just made me happier, want to smile all the time. It made smiling at my job so awesome. Well, it's just interesting that not pushing myself to take care of my teeth has now caused me to push extra hard on my children to take care of their teeth, to get on top of it, because I definitely don't want them to go down the road that I went down and be miserable for 15 years of their life before they can actually get some source of healing after that. It makes it easy for me to make them want to brush their teeth, and they're happy seeing Daddy smile all the time. I would absolutely say this is one of the best investments I can make for myself. Absolutely, more than a car, more than a home. Those are just materialistic things. This is something that you invest in, and it helps change who you are.